I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Remote Desktop so Windows accepts incoming sessions. Open Settings, go to System then Remote Desktop and flip the switch. This registers the service. Once done, add the user accounts that will connect and grant permission, because without explicit rights the connection is denied. Make sure Windows Firewall allows Remote Desktop on private networks. This prevents blocked ports. These early steps prepare your machine to listen for remote clients and avoid simple permission or firewall failures. Next, you gather the address and lock down connectivity. Find the PC name in System About or run ipconfig to get the IP and use that on the client when connecting. Make the IP stable by setting a static address or reserving it via your router so future connections don't break. Also enable network-level authentication to require credentials before a session is established. This reduces attack surface. Together, these steps ensure reliable routing and stronger initial security during remote access. Finally, connect from your client using the Remote Desktop app. Type the PC name or IP, supply the allowed username, and start the session. If you can't connect, test basic network reachability with ping and verify port access by using Telnet to port 3389. This isolates network from OS issues. Make sure credentials are correct. The Windows Firewall still allows Remote Desktop, and network-level authentication settings match between client and host. If needed, reboot the host to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.